Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna prepare the world famous egg Maggi. So we do have a large pocket of Maggi over here, and we do also have 5 eggs over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare a egg Maggi. So let's do it. So we have added 2 pieces of Maggi, and we're gonna add some water. So we're gonna add some Maggi masala. Actually, I have given a packet of Maggi masala, so I'm gonna add it. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. So now it's time to put it on the stove. Let's do it. So now the Maggi is on the stove, so let's start it. So I have switched on the power of the electric stove. So now it has started to heat the vessel. So in 5 minutes the Maggi will be ready, and we're gonna add some eggs on it, and the egg Maggi is gonna happen in few minutes. Let's wait for it. So now you can see that the Maggi has been cooked. So now we're gonna add some egg on it. So let's do it now. So we have added 3 eggs to the well cooked Maggi. So now it's time to add some salt and stir it up well. So let's do it now. So now you can see that the egg and the Maggi has been well stirred up, and you could also see that boiled eggs are showing up on the Maggi. So let's cook it for 2 minutes, and the egg Maggi is ready. So this is the well prepared Maggi, which is egg Maggi. We have prepared the egg Maggi along with the 2 real eggs we placed on the top left corner. So now it is ready to serve. So the task is really simple. You just need a bowl, 2 pieces of Maggi, 2 pockets of Maggi masala, a teaspoon of salt, a bowl of water. You just add the Maggi into the bowl, which is probably 2 large pieces of it, and just add a cup of water, a teaspoon of salt, 2 pockets of Maggi masala, and stir it up well and put it in a vessel. And then place it on a stove, then turn on the power. After a few moments the Maggi has been cooked well. Then add 2 eggs into it, then stir it up well. The egg Maggi is ready. So hope you like this video guys. Make sure to give this video a like and share this video. Express your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.